just lit this town like a fire.
On the train now to Myoko. We were meant to go to Hakuba, but there wasn't enough snow, so now we are going to Myoko, which is another small town in the Nagano-Nikiba area. We've got 7 nights there now for Christmas before we move on to our next one. Have arrived in Myoko, and this is our room for the next 7 nights. The view is pretty amazing. That is Akakura Kenko Resort. Pretty excited to have 7 nights here. I'm going to do 5 days of snowboarding and then go to the snow monkeys on one day. And then today we're just going to go and suss out the place, figure out what we want to do tomorrow, get some food. How to clean the roof. So over here it's legal to buy fireworks as long as you set them off before 10 PM. You know what we're doing on New Year's? Setting off some fireworks. We saw them in other YouTube videos, and because they don't celebrate New Year's here, we decided that because they don't do fireworks, we're gonna have to do our own fireworks. And now we can. Yes. We're in Myoko at the moment, so we might not buy these here, but we'll definitely get them up in Osaka. Good morning. It is day 2 here in Myoko. Today we've decided not to snowboard as there is a snowstorm coming later this week, so we're hoping for some fresh powder on tonight and on Wednesday night. So today we're gonna go to the snow monkeys, which I'm pretty excited about. I went last year. Actually no, technically it was this year, it was in January. Matt hasn't been yet, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. When we get back we're gonna try and figure out what ski resort we're gonna start at tomorrow so we can get our 5 days of snowboarding. It looks pretty epic here. Yeah, last night we just went out for dinner and a couple of drinks, just trying to like find where to go in this little town because it's quite small. It's not a party town. It's quite different to Hakuba, but if you're looking for like a quieter family kind of snow resort area, I think this would be definitely more of the pick. Off to the Snow Monkey Park. We're just walking to the monkey park now. This time when I was here last year or early this year, there was snow everywhere. There's no snow here yet. It's just muddy, but a lot easier to walk than last time. Last time we were worrying about slipping over and falling. All the fog is in the town tonight. I didn't bring my camera, but I brought my phone. And came out for dinner.
Oh.
Are we going into popcorn? Or nah?
No, that's good. No. No, it's not.
Nah. There's a pool table. He was looking for a pool table. We found the only pool table in Myoko. Hopefully it will snow tonight. Rainy. Cold. He just bought some fireworks. It looks like he's smuggling them under his jacket. Gonna try them tomorrow night. Scraping all of the wax off the boards so they're ready for the morning. It's snowing. And we're gonna head over there to the gondola for our first day on the slopes. The gondola's already going.
Rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
You alright, babe? Yeah. Can't even make it through the off-season. Come on.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone.
Back to the hotel. Woo! Hotel Mox. Oh. Oh. Oh, you bitch.
What one's that?
Blue one.
Oh. Oh. Fireworks on Christmas Eve. That was it. Oh god. Oh god.
Merry Christmas!
That was us doing Christmas Eve. Some fireworks. They're pretty cool though.